Hey, this is David Lenoir. So why are there sometimes a home listed twice in MLS? I had one of my clients ask me that recently, and it happens from time to time, and there are a couple of reasons for it. In the case that my client asked me about recently, it was a condo that was in MLS, a multiple listing service, as a condo, but it was also entered as a single family home. The listing agent wasn't trying to pull any tricks. It really was more a way of marketing the home because the condo was kind of like a townhouse style. So it felt like a house when you were in it, but legally it was a condo. So that's more just a way of kind of reaching out to more people and to get more potential buyers looking at the home, because it kind of felt like a single family, but they had to call it a condo. Some other instances where I've seen a home kind of listed twice, sometimes you'll see a seller maybe also concurrently market the home as a rental, and they have their reasons for that. Maybe it's because they're not quite sure that they actually want to sell the property and they're kind of testing the market, which isn't really the best way to do it, but that's what some folks do. Or they could be putting it on as a rental so that just in case it doesn't sell, they may think perhaps after a certain period of time they'll rent out the house or the condo. Again, it could be any number of scenarios, it could be any number of reasons on the part of the seller. Another situation, and I've been in this one myself, where you have a property that the house could perhaps be a teardown, or the lot that it is on is what a builder would refer to as kind of a buildable lot, which means that the lot size for the given town where the house is would allow for a new home to be put on the lot. So sometimes in that sense you would market it as land, because it could be a contractor looking to buy land, or you could just market it as a single family and then just basically see which buyer steps forward. And it could go either way. In one scenario I was in, it was actually a developer who stepped forward and bought the property, tore down the house because basically the house had reached end of life, so to speak, and he built a beautiful new home for a lucky family that bought it. And in another situation, the house listed as single family home, also listed as land. Somebody who was either very handy or was a contractor himself bought the home and really did a wonderful renovation on the home. So again, if you see a home listed in MLS, whichever website you're looking on, realtor.com or whatever, you get confused, you can always just ask your realtor, because there's usually a reason why it's appearing twice. So that's it for now. Hope this was helpful. Please feel free to like and share this video with anyone who you think it might be helpful to. Take care. Have a great day.